Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do all the heavy lifting so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into the wild world of 3D printers, pitting the Anycubic 4K plus resin 3D printer, or as we like to call it, Anycubic 4K Plus, against the Creality Ender 3v3 SE, affectionately known as Ender 3 SE. So, buckle up, folks. This is going to be a bumpy ride through the land of layer lines and filament jams. First up, the most important question on everyone's mind. How much dough are you shelling out for these bad boys? The Anycubic 4K Plus comes in at a cool $229. Meanwhile, the Ender 3 SE is slightly cheaper at $219. Yes, folks, for the price of a couple of lattes, you could be the proud owner of an Ender 3 SE. But hey, if you're into resin printing, that extra $10 might be worth it. Now, let's talk about print quality. Anycubic 4K Plus boasts a 6.6-inch 4K plus monochrome LCD with a resolution so high, you'll think you're staring into the eyes of a 3D printed Mona Lisa. Reviewers love the detailed prints, especially for miniatures and scaled-up models. On the flip side, the Ender 3 SE's claim to fame is its 250 millimeters per second rapid printing speed, which is like the Usain Bolt of 3D printers. However, some users noted that while it delivers decent quality, it's not as high-res as the Anycubic 4K Plus. So who wins here? It's a toss-up. Do you want your prints fast, or do you want them fabulous? Next, ease of use. Anycubic 4K Plus comes with the Photon Workshop Slicer 3.0, which sounds like a fancy kitchen gadget, but is actually a robust slicing software. However, some users mentioned initial setup challenges and the need for third-party slicers for better support management. The Ender 3 SE, however, is like the IKEA of 3D printers, easy to assemble in just 3 steps. Plus, it has auto-leveling and filament loading so simple, even your grandma could do it. Reviewers praise its user-friendliness and setup simplicity. Sorry, Anycubic, but if you're the tech-savvy type, Ender 3 SE takes the cake here. Alright, build volume. Anycubic 4K Plus offers a respectable 143 by 89 by 165 millimeters, which is great if you're printing miniatures or tiny Eiffel Towers. The Ender 3 SE, though, doesn't give us exact numbers, but promises an ample build volume. Reviewers have noted that it's sufficient for most standard prints. Given the clarity and specs, we'll give this round to Anycubic 4K Plus for being straightforward. Special features time. Anycubic 4K Plus has an upgraded light turbo matrix and a laser-engraved build plate. Fancy, right? Reviewers appreciate the detailed prints and additional features like the vat cleaning system. The Ender 3 SE counters with a sprite extruder and dual Z-axis for reduced wobbling. It's like a battle of the nerdy features. But let's be real. The Ender 3 SE's auto-leveling and power loss recovery are game changers. Reviewers love the reliability and ease these features provide. Imagine losing power mid-print and not wanting to throw the printer out the window? Ender 3 SE, you win this round. Overall, both printers have garnered positive feedback from users. Anycubic 4K Plus is highly praised for its detailed prints and suitability for miniatures, though some users faced setup challenges. On the other hand, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is lauded for its ease of use, reliability, and speed, making it a favorite for beginners and those looking for a hassle-free experience. So what's the final verdict? If you're all about that high-res resin life, the Anycubic 4K Plus is your new best friend. But if you want speed, ease of use, and a printer that practically does the job for you, the Ender 3 SE is your guy. Either way, you can't go wrong. Both are fantastic machines that will make your 3D printing dreams come true. So which one are you going for? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy printing! Product links are in the description.